Hi, I'm Jake Wyer.
And I'm Lexi Wyer. Welcome to the American Dream TV, where we feature lifestyle, culture, and real estate all across the country.
Today we're going to give you a glimpse of one of our favorite coastal towns, Carolina Beach, North Carolina.
Carolina Beach is not just a vacation destination. It's got a creative soul, a touch of throwback charm, and a whole lot of character. You'll feel it as soon as you get here. Things just slow down. People smile more. Time bends just a little, and that's just the way locals like it.
There's a reason why we call it island time. Carolina Beach is a true island, but more importantly, it's a mindset. The surf culture runs deep here, from early morning swells to evening longboard sessions. The beach has waves and a laid-back rhythm that attracts everyone, from beginners to lifers alike. It's not unusual to walk into a smoothie shop barefoot, talk about the tide, and plan your entire weekend around the swell forecast.
And then there's the bohemian vibe. This town is bursting with creativity. Think local artisans, farmers markets, live music, and beach bars that feel like backyard barbecues. It's unpolished and imperfect in the best possible way. This boardwalk behind me is one of the last old school boardwalks on the East Coast. From summer fireworks and Ferris wheels to Britt's donuts and live music, this is where tourists and locals come together and time slows to a crawl.
Whether you're strolling down the beach at sunrise, casting a line off the pier, jumping a golf cart to catch dinner, life here just feels different. Less pressure, more presence. When it comes to real estate, Carolina Beach has a little of everything. With retro cottages with surf shack vibes,
to modern waterfront properties with private docks and panoramic views just blocks from the beach. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence, a vacation home, or an investment with rental potential, this market offers lifestyle and value. This town doesn't just pull you in, it makes you feel. It's not luxury in the traditional sense. It's about freedom, simplicity, salt in your hair, and room to breathe.
If you're looking for a place to be yourself, unwind, maybe never wear real shoes again, Carolina Beach is waiting for you.
We're Lexi and Jake Wyer, and this is the American Dream.